Question 3. The size of a population of
migrating birds
in a particular town can be approximately modeled by the equation P equals A sin BT plus C. A, B, C are positive real numbers, where T is measured in months from the time of initial measurements. In a 12-month period, the maximum population is 4,800 and occurs when t equals 3, and minimum population is 780 and occurs when t equals 9. This information is shown on the graph below. A is a maximum point, 3, 4,800. B is a minimum point, 9, 780. This A is a amplitude because A is a positive, so A equals amplitude equals maximum minus minimum over 2. This C is a midline. It's a midpoint between maximum and minimum value. Maximum plus minimum over 2. This B is dealing with the period. B equals 360 over period. We know period equals 2 times absolute value of horizontal distance between maximum and minimum.
In other words,
period equals 2 times absolute value of x coordinate at maximum point minus x coordinate at minimum point equals 2 times absolute value of 3 minus 9 equals 12. Maximum value is 4,800. Minimum value is 780. A equals 4,800 minus 780 over 2 equals 2010. C is a midline. C equals 4,800 plus 780 over 2 equals 2790. The principal axis will be y equals 2790.
B equals
360 over 12 equals 30. We can write down the function P of t equals 2010 sine 30t plus 2790. Let's go to D. Find the value of t at which the population first reaches 2,000 in a year. Based on the information in D, we will set up for P of t equals 2,000. We will make a window according to the graph given. In a year means 12 months. For x minimum equals 0, x maximum equals 12, x scale. You can use any integer between 0 and 12. Let's use 3. For y minimum, 780 is the minimum value. Let's use 700. Y maximum, 4,800 100 is the maximum. Let's use 5,000. 1 scale equals. You can use 100 or 200 or 300. It's really up to you. Let's use 100. We will put P of t into f1 of x. 2000 into f2 of x. Let's go to graph on Scratchpad. Let's delete all the histories. Control menu, delete all. Click on tab. We put P of t into f1 of x. Make sure your variable is x instead of t on the graph. After you put P of t into f1 of x, enter. You couldn't see anything on the graph because you need to change the window. Go to menu, 4, enter. X minimum 0, X maximum 12. Scale, you can use 1. We decided to use 3. Y minimum 700. Y maximum 5,000. Scale 100. Enter. I got this kind of graph. You need to check here. We need a degree. This is the graph with the angle in degree. Click on tab. f2 of x equals 2000. Enter. This intersection means population first reached 2000 in a year. Menu. Analyze graph 6. Intersection 4. Answer is 6.77. By graphing, P equals 6.77. Go to E. How long does the population stay above 4,000 in a year? We will set up P of t greater than 4,000. Click on tab, upper arrow. Change 2000 into 4000. Enter. The part of graph above
Y equals 4,000 will be the solution.
menu 6, 4. Menu 6, 4.
We got these two intersections.
If you only get 3 sig figs for x coordinate, go to menu, click on setting, change display digits into auto. Also, click on automatically label points. By graphing, T1 equals 1.23375. T2 equals 4.76625. Since we are looking for how long, we need to use T2 minus T1. How long? Delta T equals T2 minus T1 equals. Answer is 3.53 months. Make sure T1 and T2 are full answers. because T1 and T2 are not final solution. For delta T, that's how long you can use 3 sig figs because this is the final answer to question E. Let's go to F. How long does the population stay below 1500 in a year? We will set out P of T less than 1500. F1 of X for P of T. F2 of X equals 1500. Click on tab, upper arrow. Change F2 of X equals 1500. Enter. Menu 6, 4 for intersection. Menu 6, 4 for the other intersection. T1 equals 7.33058. T2 equals 10.6691. How long equals T2 minus T1 equals. Answer is 3.34 months. The population stay below 1500 in a year. Let's go to J. Find the population when T equals 7. We know P of T equals 210 sine 30T plus 2790. We are looking for P of 7. We know F1 of X is P of T. Go to calculator on Scratchpad. Click on variable. Enter. 7. Enter. 1785 is the solution. Let me add one challenging question. How long does the population stay below 3000 in a year? P of T less than 3000. Go to graph on Scratchpad, upper arrow. Change F2 of X equals 3000. Enter. We need to figure out these two intersections. Menu 6, 4. Menu again 6, 4. This part of the graph and also this part of the graph are the solution. We do know this is a 0, this is a 12. So the solution will be T1 minus 0 plus 12 minus T2. By graphing, T1 equals 0.19902. T2 equals 5.8001.
Delta T equals
T1 minus 0 plus 12 minus T2 equals
6.40.
which means more than half a year, the population is below 3000.